Next, for illustration 5, we will stitch the border unit to the New York Beauty unit on this side, and this border unit to the other New York Beauty unit, and stitch along this line, and then you'll press toward the border unit for each one. No special matchings here. For illustration 6, you will be sewing the corners that you just stitched together to the middle section. And this is not a stacked seam in this case, but you do have to match these seams here. When you attach this section to this section, you'll have to make sure these seams match so you have perfect point here. And to do this, you'll mark the seam line here. So let's turn this over. And you mark it the same way with your 1/4 inch marker and your marking pen. So this intersection here between the seam line and the mark you just made, the 1/4 inch mark, I'll show you how you do that. You will place your pen along the seam line and inside that line or along that line you just marked, and then you'll take it and this point here, you'll put your pen right in this point and then make it perpendicular like that and then pin it in. This is the same thing where you want to stitch right where your pen goes into the fabric, and then over here you will have to mark these 2 bands. You've already marked the bottom side, so mark the top side of these, and then these are cross seams, and you do those the same way as you did in illustration 4.